Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Sam. So today I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to instruct you on how to learn AI from scratch as a beginner. So before we start, I would like you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's continue. Microsoft is offering $200 for those who would like to build, train, and deploy their learning model. So if you want the link, check out below in the description. So why must you learn AI? The first thing why you must learn AI is to enhance your skill set. The second thing which will benefit you from learning AI is that you are going to get paid. So what I was basically saying is you are going to get paid to provide services using AI. Let's continue. So let's go to the next topic. How do you find the right course for you if you are a beginner? So the first thing you're going to check is if the course is up to date. By saying up to date, what do I mean? So if they cover the basics of AI, the second thing if they cover advanced programming skills, the third thing you're going to check if they cover upcoming new AI algorithms. The fourth thing you're going to check is if they cover new and upcoming AI research, because the research is ongoing about this AI. People continue to learn how to use this thing. Yeah. So these are the things you're going to check if the course is right for you. So let's go to the next topic. So before we go to the next topic, what I've got to add in the previous topic is that look for courses also that offer practical projects, that offer career services. Yeah, this will be the best for you to learn and get skills from them. So after learning the skills, these are the job opportunities you're going to get from learning the AI. The first thing, you can create an agency, which is an AI automation agency to help people email marketing, SMS marketing. Yeah. The second option you're going to get is being an AI developer. You're going to help people develop AIs for their companies, their small businesses. The third thing you're going to get is to be an AI analyst. So being an AI analyst is going to help you analyze the trends and the projection. Yeah. So let's see the next opportunity. AI web developer. I don't think that's the best thing. So those are the few examples of jobs you can get after learning AI. Yeah. If you like to subscribe to our newsletters, or the link will be in the description below. If you like other newsletters that you can subscribe to, I'll mention them. You search for them. Yeah, the first one is AI Weekly. They will give you the analysis newsletters of the week from